Okay, this is the periodic table coloring assignment. You all have one periodic table at your desk. Don't ruin it. You all have one. Over here, you have the instructions. So, what I would like you all to do first is I want you to look at the giant periodic table behind me. I would like you all to put an asterisk. If you don't know what an asterisk is, it looks like this. I want you to put an asterisk in every element that is a solid at room temp. So basically, everything on this big periodic table behind me that is in black letters. These are red, these are black, this is blue, and these are white. I want you to put an asterisk in every single solid at room temp element. This will indicate that those elements are solid at room temp. This should take you a few minutes because the majority of the periodic table is solid at room temp. So go for it. I'm going to do it too. Yeah, this should take a few minutes just because there's so many of them. Don't get carried away. You don't want to put something in one that's solid, or excuse me, gas or liquid. We've already gotten started. Alex will have to get you caught up. All right. I think I got them all. I'll wait for you all to catch up. And we'll move on to the next step. Remember, you only get one shot at this, so don't rush. Make sure you're doing it right. How many protons would Mercury have? Mercury is 81 protons. That's the atomic number. Or 80. Is that a typo? I think there is a typo, isn't there? Let's see. Where's the typo start? Gold is supposed to have 79.
Just says both mercury and thallium are 80.
Ah, okay. Good eye. So hold on, let's see where it starts. Like cesium is 55. Hafnium is 72. That's good. Good eye, Aiden. Thallium is 73. That's correct. Tungsten is 74. That's correct. Re is 75. OS is 76. Iridium is there we go. So if you guys want to make a little correction here, good eye. It goes from 76 to 77. Typo. So if you want to if you have whiteout, great. If you don't, try to write over that. Make iridium 77. Platinum is 78. Gold is 79. And mercury is 80. You'll need that for the rest of the year. So Aiden, again, good eye. All right. Is everybody good with writing the asterisks for solids? Yes, Varun. Okay. If you want to go on to the next step, you may draw a small red circle in every naturally occurring element that is in the gaseous, that is gaseous at room temp. So it's going to be hydrogen, helium, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, chlorine, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Not a lot.
All the red elements.
Yep, all the red ones that are up on the periodic table behind me. Helium, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, fluorine, chlorine, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. I believe you're supposed to write a teardrop in the two liquid ones. Do you remember what the two liquid ones are? Mercury and bromine. There's a teardrop in mercury, or in bromine, I mean. And then down on number 80, mercury. Easy enough. And then for number 4, draw a small square in every element that is synthetic. So all the white lettered ones, okay? Do not start step 6 until everybody's here, because you don't want to be that person who goes, Mr. Thorson, I messed up. I want to help you all avoid that. One thing you can do to help yourself avoid that is don't go ahead. All right. Let's move on to step 6 now. Color the alkali metals, half yellow, half royal blue. Royal blue is regular blue. From yesterday's lesson, do you remember what group is the alkali metals? With the group 1, with the exception of what element? Do not color hydrogen. So let's do it. Here's how it should look. Now, hold on. Watch me do it first, guys. Just to make sure that you're doing it correctly. Half of it's going to be yellow. The other half is going to be blue. Go ahead and do everything. If you do hydrogen, you've already messed up. All right, there's my first column. All the alkali metals. Remember, hydrogen is a non-metal gas. It is not an alkali metal. Why is it in that column, then, Mr. Thorson? Because it has one valence electron. Everything in that column has one valence. See what time we're at this class today. Make sure we keep it on the clock.
What do you do for the red one? The circle?
What?
You put a circle in the red one?
What are you talking about? Yeah, the gases. Yes. Yeah. We're out of here at 22 after, guys. So we have about 25 minutes. Yes, so we're. Oh, yeah, good call. So up here. So you can go ahead and color that in too. Alkali metals are going to be. Hold on, let me check. Hold on. That's going to be blue. Color the alkali metal box blue. Listen to what I'm telling you. Color the alkali metal box right here blue. You can go and color the metals box yellow. Alkali metals are metals and alkali metals. Every alkali metal is a metal, but not every metal is an alkali metal. So that's why we're differentiating them. Color on the top of the paper is Sawyer indicated. Color the alkali metal box blue and the metals box yellow. We need to keep going. You guys have less than 25 minutes. Okay, next one. Let's see what we got. Color the alkaline earth metals yellow and sky blue. Okay, so like this. Sky blue is a light blue. And you can go and color in the box that says alkali earth metals on the top of the page, sky blue, like that. Now, as I see some of you doing, you might not have a sky blue, improvise. I see Kaylin here, she's using her blue pencil very lightly. Improvise, make the best of what you have to work with. Okay, next one. Number 8, color the halogens, half lime green, half pink. Halogens, do you remember what group that is? Anybody? Anybody? 17. The one that begins with fluorine. Yeah.
The synthetic one, Tennessee count. 117.
No. So do not color Tennessee, number 117. Is everybody hearing me in the back? Do not color in number 117. That is synthetic. We're going to leave that one alone. Do not, third time I'm saying it, do not color in Tennessee 117. Do not color it. You may color the halogens box on the top of the page pink. You may color the non-metals box on the top of the page lime green. Fourth time I'll say it, do not color in number 117, Tennessee. Do not color that in. Obviously, the creator of it had some sort of affection for Tennessee. That's new. That was discovered in the last 10 years. If you're ready to move on, you can go and get started on the noble gases. They're going to be green and purple. That includes helium. If there's any point that you are lost, please ask or look up to make sure that you're doing this correctly. For the noble gases, everybody, do not color in 118. Do not color in 118, oganesson. Do not color that one in. Everything on my paper just offset, so just ignore me. I have to redo stuff. Ignore me. My paper just got screwed up. Wait. Yeah. You can go and color in the box for noble gases purple. Again, ignore me. My computer kind of messed up, so I'm trying to fix it. There we go. All right, let me just fix that. Non-metal is green. Yellow is metal. Alkali metals are blue. Alkali earth metals are light blue. Halogens are pink. Okay, I'm back. I'm ready. Moving on. Color the other metals in the P block yellow, completely yellow. So here we go. Follow my lead. Metals in the P block. You ready? Aluminum. Gallium. Indium. Thallium. Lead. Bismuth. Tin. I believe that's it. Those are the non-metals that are present in the P block. I'll zoom in for you. There they are. Or excuse me, those are the metals that are in the P block. Did I say non-metal? Those are the metals that are in the P block. Those metals are typically the same characteristics as the D block metals. Okay. Next, moving along right along. Oop, hold on. There's a page overlap in here. Okay. Step 12, color the transition metals, half yellow, half light brown. All right, this is going to take you a minute. That's pretty much the entire D block, guys. It's going to take you a minute. But don't be too slow. I know it's going to take some time. There's a lot of elements here. It'll look great when it's all done. Yes, Alex.
Does that include all the synthetics on that?
There's one synthetic in there. Yes, include the synthetic. Do the entire D block. Actually, hold on. Okay. Do not look at me, guys. Everybody look up here, please. Look at the screen. Do not do those. Okay? If you already did, stop what you're doing. You don't need a new one. Just don't do those. I can erase that line. Don't streak it with the big blue or purple streak like I did. I was doing that to remind me. Don't do that row. Yeah. Yeah, those are the synthetics. You can do TC. TC is found naturally and it can be synthesized. We have about 12 minutes, so the pep in your step. Normally I can color inside the lines, guys, but I'm just trying to beat the clock, you know? You can color in the transition metals box on the top of the page. I'll give you guys a minute to catch up. I know the D block is a lot. It is 12:10. We have 12 minutes. Starting to come along nicely though. So see a lot of pens moving. I'll wait. I think we might make it. It's 12:12. We have 10 minutes. If you think you're ready to go on to the next one, the lanthanides are in the F block. They're the top row of the F block. Color them half gray, half orange. And I'll show you how they're supposed to look. Half gray. Half orange. Like that. If you think you're ready for that, go for it. On the top of the page, you can color in inner transition metals gray and lanthanides orange. If you think you're ready to do the actinides, they need to look like this. If you think you're ready for that, go ahead. Anybody getting writer's cramp yet? All right, there they are. Lanthanides and actinides. If you want to go ahead and color in the actinides box red, you may. We're almost done. I think we might make it. We have 8 more minutes, or actually 6 more minutes. Hey, if you think you're ready for the next one, color the metalloids green, regular green. If you want to follow my lead, I also have them written down. Boron, silicone, germanium, arsenic, antimony, is tellurium one? Yep. Is selenium? Nope, I did not think selenium was one. Tellurium. Polonium. Hold on a second. Okay. Now, we do have a little correction to make. It shouldn't be too severe here. On the box astatine, box 85, you should have made it lime green and pink. See if you can color over your lime green with regular green, because that is it is a metalloid as well. Yeah.
So it's regular green and pink.
It's gonna be regular green and pink. Yeah. So just color over your lime green, or just color your lime green really dark and make it look like a darker green. 85, that's right. And if you want to go ahead and put in lime green, or excuse me, regular green for metalloids in that box on the top of the page, that should be the last box. I think we need to go back. Yeah, we skipped step 10. That's my fault. Color in the rest of the non-metals, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, sulfur, and selenium, lime green, and you should be done. Again, number 85. Color over your lime green with regular green. Make it a darker green because it is a metalloid, not a non-metal. Lime green means non-metal. Green means metalloid. And acetine is a halogen metalloid. Yeah.
Wow.
104 to 112. Leave those white. Those are synthetic. Just leave them alone. Okay. Oh, hydrogen. Almost forgot that one. Way over here. Hydrogen. Number 1. Almost forgot him. That should be solid lime green. Ow. And that is the entire periodic table.